This 6.9 cubic foot 30-inch slide-in double oven gas range by LG has a fingerprint-resistant stainless front, 2 large black glass viewing windows, and 2 color-matched stainless handles. The angled control panel features an easy-to-read touch panel glass display and 6 aluminum knobs. 5 are burner controls, with markers and guides to help easily identify burners. 1 controls the various cooking modes. The range-top surface consists of 3 continuous heavy-duty cast iron grates and 5 sealed burners with removable caps. Burner output highs consist of one 5,000, one 9,100, one 10,000, one 18,000, and one 22,000 BTU power burner. The range-top surface is stainless steel. Inside, both ovens feature a cobalt blue interior. The 2.6 cubic foot upper oven comes with 1 flat rack, 2 rack positions, and 1 oven light. The 4.3 cubic foot lower oven has 1 flat rack, a glider rack, 4 rack positions, 1 oven light, and a convection fan. Also included is a temperature probe and air fry tray. To learn more about ranges, check out our buying guide at abt.com or visit our showroom located at 1200 North Milwaukee Avenue in Glenview, Illinois.